Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Soleh-Soleha students, how are you? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Welcome back with Ustazah Rani, and it means we are going to learn about mathematics again. This is for stage 1. What we are going to do in this section? Here we go. So, in this section, we are going to learn about naming position. What we are going to know in this section? So, in this section, we will learn about first is understanding position, and the second is knowing about ordinal numbers. So, we are going to know about understanding position and about ordinal numbers. Let's check it out. Okay, here I have a picture here. This is a runners. Jadi di sini ada beberapa pelari. The first is Ryan. The second runners is Toby. The third runners in Ade. The fourth runners is Ihsan, and the fifth runners is Fajar. Jadi di posisi pertama ada Rian, posisi kedua ada Toby, posisi ketiga ada Ade, posisi keempat ada Ihsan, dan posisi kelima ada Fajar. Nah, you have to know this first. This is the simulation about ordinal numbers. So let's see more understanding about ordinal numbers. Okay, so the word tell the position. We have the word that can tell us about the position. Like the previous picture, there are first. This is we called first. And how to write down? This is how we can write this, the number. The next is second. Ini adalah posisi kedua. Second means posisi kedua. To write is like this. Next is third. Posisi ketiga. To write this like this. Third. 3 RD. And the next is fourth. To write down like this. And the next is fifth. Posisi kelima, fifth. And to write down like this. And then sixth. To write down sixth, posisi keenam, like this. And then seventh. To write down seventh, we can write down like this. And then eighth, for posisi ke-8, to write down like this. And then ninth, to write down like this. And the last is tenth, posisi ke-10, to write down like this, tenth. Next, we back to the picture. This is the picture. We have some word here. So the first sentence say Ihsan is the fourth place. Ihsan ada di posisi keempat. Is it true ya? Is it true? Ihsan in the fourth place. Here. This is Ihsan. And then it is side. It is between Fajar and Ade. Between Fajar and Ade. This is Ihsan. And it is between. Between in bahasa we called antara. 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 Berarti Ihsan ada di antara Fajar and Ade. Between. This is Ihsan. And then Tobi is after Rian. Tobi is after Rian. After in bahasa adalah setelah. Ini adalah Tobi, this is Tobi. Dan Tobi berada di posisi setelah Rian. Rian dulu, baru Tobi. It is we called after. And it is second position. Dan dia berada di posisi kedua. Jadi setelah Rian, ada Tobi, posisinya di second position. Tobi in second position. And then Ade is before Ihsan. Ade is before Ihsan. Okay, so we have Ade here. This is Ade. And Ade in the position before. Before sebelum, in bahasa we call sebelum. Jadi sebelum Ihsan, before Ihsan, it is Ade. Ada Ade. It is in the third position. In the third position. Ade in the third position. It is before Ihsan. Sebelumnya Ihsan. And the last is Fajar in fifth place. I'm sorry, this is salah ya. Place. So this is Fajar. This is Fajar. And it is fifth place. Fifth place. It means Fajar is the last. Paling terakhir. So the first is Rian and the last is Fajar. The first is Rian and the last is Fajar. Yang pertama, posisi pertama adalah Rian dan posisi terakhir adalah Fajar. Next, we are going to make it. For example, the first. After the first, it is second, right? Sorry. After the first, it is second. After the second, it is third. Okay, just filling the blank. After third, it is fourth. Okay. After fourth, it is fifth. Here we go. Before ninth, it is eighth. And after ninth, it is 10th. Okay, we have this one. Okay, for this one you can you don't need to know it because this is more than 10th ya. Jadi kalian hanya perlu tahu ini dulu. Jadi di sini adalah 6th. Okay, this is 6th. And this is 7th. Right. Correct. This is the same way ya. So you have to find first. How to what is the word of first? It is here. What is the first? What is the word of third? Third is here. Seventh is here. And then 10th. 10th in here. Second in here. Fourth in here. Fifth in here, 6th in here, 8th in here, and the last 9th in here. Okay, so right now we just learned about the naming position and ordinal number from 1st until 10th. So you have to remember 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. And then you have to know the word about between, last, after, and before. Between artinya antara, before artinya sebelum, after artinya setelah, and the last artinya paling terakhir atau terakhir. Okay, I think that's all about our topic today. Thank you very much for attention. Now you can look at for your worksheet. You can solve the worksheet and then submit to Ustazah. Thank you so much. See you in the next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.